Hey, we're Micah and Liv. We're the NACRA 17 Under-23 World Champions. Over here, this is our NACRA 17 multi-hull catamaran, and some of our friends that will be racing today in New Zealand Nationals. How long? 20 seconds from start. We're going to have to try and cross them or dip them as we go through the line.
Okay, go
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Right, coming up behind them here. Alright, we're off. Alright, a bit of a shift in the wind, so we're going to go for attack. Better angle out on this tack. Okay, looks like I've made a good little gain here. Just consolidate it. So this boat's got curved centreboards, which means it produces a little bit of lift. Can't fully foil, but we try. Alright, set. Good. So as we come down, we're cruising at about 20 knots right now. Makes pretty exciting racing when you're going pretty fast. Alright, we come through the final marks and straight down to the finish. Makes high performance sport. Like, I mean, look at our edge over our competitors. We're gonna have to jog through the finish. Still got about 7 seconds to lay here. Alright, jiving in 3. Thank you. Well, that concludes. Hope you guys enjoyed coming sailing with us today. Had a great time.